Hello and welcome to Jose's tutorial on how to make a calendar for the assignment for the HTML code that you need to produce. This tutorial is going to go over how to make the HTML website. Remember that you need an editor to write the code in order for it to be transferred using FileZilla. And I'm already here in the directory which I have my code in, and I'm just let me hit refresh here. I'm just working on it here to start transferring the data over into Tech 1010 in order for me to display it for you guys to see. So remember that each HTML website has a certain essential tags that it needs. It needs the doc type. It needs a head. And then I'm going to link it to this style sheet following this format. So hyperlink reference equals Sarah Jr. Cal .css, and then style sheet. No, Arial. Arial style sheet, and it has been referenced. Next, I'm going to create the title, and I'm going to call it Jose's YouTube calendar. Next thing I'm going to create is, actually I forgot one important tag that follows the doc type, and that is HTML. So I'm going to create that one, HTML, and I'm going to fit the head in there, and now I'm going to do the body. So first things first, we're gonna do a couple of walkthroughs through how to do the hover effect on a piece of text. So we're gonna do the following. We're gonna create a header1 ID equals header1. Keep things simple. Align equals center. And then I'm gonna do close, and I'm gonna do calendar tutorial. And I'm gonna save. Then I'm gonna go over here, and then I'm gonna do pound, since it's an ID. I'm gonna do pound, and then I'm gonna do header1, and then I'm gonna do color, and then I'm gonna make it blue, my favorite color. And then I'm gonna close that off, and then I'm gonna do cursor, and I'm gonna make a pointer. And then I'm gonna save that. And let's just see what we have so far. So we're gonna open a preview. You see when I hover over it, the cursor turns into the finger pointing at the text. Now let's keep making this effect more better. So let's do header 1, and I'm gonna do hover, and I'm gonna change the colors to something more better. Let's see, I'm gonna choose dark salmon. Let's do that, dark salmon, and then let's save. And then we're gonna preview this page again. You see, it turns dark salmon when I hover over it. So this is Jose's calendar tutorial, and this is the effect it has. So now we need to go over the essential part of the calendar. The calendar basically is a table. So I'm going to create the calendar from the year 2021, or yeah, 21, October. Nope, October. So this is the calendar I'm going to be using. So let's get a crack on it. So first things first, we're going to create a table. And we could do ID equals table 1. And then we could close it. And then we do that. Next thing we could do is we could do a row. TR. And then TR, we could do Sunday. We could do TH for text. We could do Sunday. Then we could do TH Monday. Tuesday. And so on and so on. You get the point. And then let me change this to Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then I do Saturday. Perfect. Now let's see how the calendar is looking so far. Nice. We have a row of data, and it's already looking out pretty good. And we have our header right there. We missed a thing. We should actually create a caption for our calendar. Caption. And then we do October 2021. Save. Now let's see how our calendar is looking now. Oh, there it is. And this one, we could do the style here. We could do color equals, we'll do blue, just to keep things simple. I love blue. And then there is the caption. And then we can see how this looks like. Preview. There's blue. Perfect. Now, next thing we're going to do is we're going to align the table in the center. And then we're going to see how that looks like. The table is centered out. Perfect. Now, there's a thing we got to notice. Here, I did all the styles here nicely and everything, but we're forgetting one thing. We're forgetting the actual border style. So we need to do a border style for each and every single one of them. So this time we're gonna pick a different border style. So this time we're gonna go here. We're gonna do TH, and we're gonna do border style. And then we're gonna do, let's do dotted, right? And then border color, we're gonna do chocolate. Chocolate seems good right about now. And then we're gonna see how that looks like. Which calendar was I doing? This one. Open and preview, and there you go. It's dotted and it looks pretty nice. So let's actually keep working on this. So next thing that we need to do is upload all the dates. So the dates that we need to upload, we need to do it row by row. So basically, we could actually just copy this and do it for the whole month of October. We could actually reuse some code. But in your assignment, if you did notice, in your assignment it says, which page was that? Give me just a second while I find it. Let me go see. Oh, found it. Okay, so create a calendar for the current month using a table. Put the names of the month in the caption. Name of the month in the caption at the top. Change the color of the text for Sundays and holidays. Make note of any special days during the month. Add a appropriate graphic to one of the styles. Okay. In short terms, that means the calendar we did for October here is going to look pretty similar to the one that we're going to do for October here. Remember, you could choose whatever month you want. You do not have to do October, and you can even do it for a different year, just to make things interesting. So the calendar for October for 2021 was October 2021. Friday was the first. Friday was the first. And actually, let's try leaving these cells blank this time. And then the second was Saturday. And then let's put in the days. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And actually, every Sunday, we're going to put ID. Every Sunday, we're going to make this ID equals Sunday. So ID equals Sunday, and then ID equals Sunday. Oh, no, cancel. ID equals Sunday. ID equals Sunday. Let's save what we've done so far. And then we're going to go here. And then I told you ID is the pound symbol. So we're going to go back up here to the ID section. And then we're going to put Sunday. And then we're going to make the color purple. Save. And let's preview the calendar. Yep, look at all those purples. They're all purple on Sunday. Purple Sunday. If you want, you can actually change the calendar, make a special coloring for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You can do whatever you would like. And now let me begin to do the descent into the rest of it. So let me copy this one actually. Okay, so this one's 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and then one more, 31st. Close these out. And actually, this one has a this one is gonna have data inside of it because we're gonna put an image. So image href equals, and then what image are we gonna put here? Sarah Joe Pumpkin JPEG. And I'm gonna do, and then that's good. Let's see how I did it here. Align center. Source. Yeah, I put source. Source. All pumpkin. Save. And let's open and preview. Oh my god, look at that pumpkin. It's so huge. And it's at the end of the month. Oh my god, we need to fix this. So we're gonna shrink that pumpkin down. Height equals 50. Width equals 50. Save. And let's re-preview that. There you go. And then let me also, I forgot one thing though. You see that the boundaries here aren't established? So let's go back to here. And then we're gonna do and then save. And then poof, the boundary appeared. And then let's also try align equals center. There you go. Align equals center. There you go. Made it look nice and pretty. And there you have it. There is the calendar tutorial for how to make the calendar. And I did October 2021, and you already have my example worked up there. So next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna move all these things over into Eve. So we're gonna do the following. We're gonna move these two files. We're gonna refresh. We're gonna move these two files, and then we're gonna upload them to Eve. The files are transferred, nice. And then we're gonna do the following. We're gonna go to Putty or Terminal, whichever one it is. We're gonna hit open. We're gonna log in as Sarah. You're gonna log into Eve. You're gonna hit ls cd public HTML ls cd tech 10 ls. So then I'm gonna do change mod recursively tech 10. I forgot the number 705. Oh wait, I need to go back up one. Done. So now, if we were to go to Eve and then I were to type in the name of this website, so Jose Sarah, Cal, and WE, there's my calendar. Good job. So we have just created a tutorial on how to create the calendar. Now I'm going to stop my sharing. Please, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me at my email, sarahjoe@kean.edu. I'll be glad to respond. I'm gonna this time include in the description of the chat of the YouTube video, and I should see you shortly, okay? I'm gonna also create another video on how to do the hyperlink assignment. Thank you, and have a good night.